Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Jaguar. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 12,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include Sirius satellite radio, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, OnStar, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.